For maximally natural result, choose a permanent hair color which would match your roots. So all you need is cotton tips, cotton pads and a small tissue or a small piece of a toilet paper like I use. You need to take a small pea amount of the hair color cream into a small container and the same amount of development cream, so the consistency is not too runny. And then I'll just mix it with cotton tip. I brush with a specialized eyebrow brush or with a small comb. Just neatly brush your eyebrows into the shape that looks best. And start applying the hair dye from the inner side of the eyebrow towards the outside. Try to saturate all the hairs with the hair dye and try not to go over the hairline as much as you can. Also be careful not to get any hair dye into the eye area. When you think you're done, you can start removing the hair dye around the hairline of the eyebrow. Make sure to use a new Q-tip every time for a new area. This is the most important step, I would say. So it's important to follow a very nice eyebrow shape. I usually follow just the general shaping guide of the eyebrows. Make sure you remove some other little bit of dye so that they don't stay on the skin and start coloring your skin. And just check that everything is symmetrical, and we will wait for it to work for about 7 to 15 minutes. It depends on the manufacturer, on the type of hair dye. Okay, so I've got 2 minutes left. Then I just wet in a few of cotton pads and I start removing the hair dye from the eyebrow.